They say some poor soul got it worse, I don't give a fuck. Been in and out of debt every motherfucking year. Guess it's time for Lil Hodge to pick us up. I'm sitting at the dinner table saying, what the fuck is this? Man of the house got a grown man's job, 18, wildin' out just when I was cashing out. Dad went up to the job, not the fucking boss out. That was 5K just to bail him out. But you think I'm eating good? Saying Hodge hella educated, can't be that bad. Bitch, I was born in the hood, y'all know shit about me. Don't know shit about me. Demons you cannot see, see notes I can't not see. Bitch, I'm a vegan, no food on the shelves, can't eat. Got PB, no fucking J. Fiending for a good meal, a fraction of MJ's account will do. Triple entendre this rap shit, hoping that you get it, hoping that you feel it. Tryna promote better living, sick of staring at big screen TVs. Can't eat television, man, I'm sick of this shit. Man, I'm sick of this shit. Man, I'm sick of this shit. Motherfuckers got me tempted to tip scales. Who the fuck selling bricks? Got me in touch with my dark side. Now I'm really with the shits, saying Hodge used to be a nice guy. But I'm hungry than a bitch. Man, motherfuck being house poor. Motherfuck being house poor. Motherfuck being house poor. Fuck being house poor. Got peanut butter, no damn jelly. Might as well live in a peace. Cause I hate being house poor. Cause I hate being house poor. Cause I hate being house poor. I put this shit on my life, I'ma fucking make it, man, cause I hate this
Growing
shit.
up, I ain't had shit. I used to watch them other kids with their daddies. No, I ain't had that. See, I just had rap. Still got it, now a nigga spit magic. Don't feel bad, cause I'm glad that shit happened. A little nigga, I ain't even need a puppet. Now you're looking at me like a freak show. But it's cool, cause my nigga, we gon' weak though. I'm in so deep. Like your girl when she deep throat me. Keep her on both knees, keep stroke cause she can't breathe. Cause that's how a nigga feel when he running from the peep on the street. Nigga, I can't sleep. I feel like I'm on a leash. Dream of something big, Larry Hoover, Big Meech. That's how a nigga feel when a nigga can't eat. Shit, I'm holding on to life by the skin of my teeth. All my niggas saying preach, I'ma make this shit brief. Pump up the volume, I'll pump up the beat. You don't like my music, then don't fuck with me. Because this is the life of the JKID. I'm on it, fuck my opponents. All I got in this word is my balls like Tony. Nigga, I'm zoning, I'm so hungry. Won't sign a deal, that's 100 racks on it. My heart's so broke, yeah, my heart's so broke. Yeah, my heart's so broke, and I smoke that weed. Nigga, you can smell it in my clothes. Skip class just to puff pass with my bros. I remember we was creeping, kicking in dough. Still everything go, man, that's how the game go. If you don't eat, you gon' die slow. If you don't eat, you gon' die slow.
Man, motherfuck being house poor. Motherfuck being house poor. Motherfuck being house poor. Fuck being house poor. Got peanut butter, no damn jelly. Might as well live in a peace. Cause I hate being house poor. Cause I hate being house poor. Cause I hate being house poor. I put this shit on my life, I'ma fucking make it, man, cause I hate this shit.